Good morning, learning kids. So, in special activity class, we will learn about expression. You know about expression? Like smile, reading, writing, walking, crying, laughing, talking, like that. Okay? So, these are expression which you are expressed to anyone to show your things and say something about. Okay, so we will learn about first is smile. This boy has a cute smile, right? You can see here this boy has a cute smile, like you children, right? You also have a cute smile now. Okay, smiling is an act of expressing happiness. Only one smile has expressed million happiness. So children, smile with your parents, smile with your friends, smile with your family and friends and any other who like you and also who doesn't like you, right? Okay, so just smile children, because your smile is importance of millions. Okay, so just smile. Okay, next is reading. This boy is reading. This boy is reading. Cute. He is cute now, and he is reading a book. You can see here. Okay, he is reading. Reading is an act of viewing writing matter. Okay. Next is writing. She is writing, right? She is writing. You also writing now at your home? I know that. So she is also writing. Writing is an act of jotting down alphabet. Right? So just write at your home and complete your homework with your parents, with your family, within your family guidelines. Okay? And next is climbing. Next is climbing. You all of climb anyone wall, right? So don't do like that, because you falling down. You get it? Okay. So climbing. Climbing is an act of moving upwards, right? So he is climbing a ladder. Okay. So you don't climb on ladder. If you are climb on ladder within your family or parents guideline. Okay, and don't climb on trees and wall also. Okay children? Okay, and next one is dancing. She is dancing now. You all like dance now? Children, you all like dance, right? So she is also dancing. Dancing is an act of moving body with rhythm. Okay, C is dancing. And children, you also dance at your home. So just open your music and dance whatever you want. Right? Okay. Next is very poor. Next is crying. You all first time coming at your school, then you are crying, na? I know that. I have remembered that. But crying is a bad manner and bad habit also. And nobody liked it. Like it. Nobody like it, na? So don't crying ever. Okay? Just smile and stay happy. Crying is shedding of tears in response to an emotional state. Okay? So children, don't cry. I request you, please don't cry and stay happy with your family, parents and friends. Right? Okay. Next is smelling. Next is smelling. When your mama is made a special thing for you, then you smell soft and good, na? Right? जब ममा आपकी कुछ स्पेशल बनाती है तो आप लोग बहुत अच्छा स्मेल करते हो और खुश होते हो ना? That things express your smelling. Okay? Smelling is an act of sensing fragrance. जब हम किसी चीज को स्मेल करते हैं, सूंघते हैं, तो उसे स्मेलिंग बोलते हैं. ओके? नेक्स्ट इज टॉकिंग. You children, all of like na talking with your parents, with your friends, mostly with your friends, right? Because you lovely kids, you like talking and talking and talking. Your favorite expression, right? With your family, with your friends, on your cell phone, at your home, in your school, like that. You all like talking. You have must talking because it's your grow up with your talking. Okay? Talking is an act of communication verbally. Okay? So just continue talking. Okay? Okay, done it. So once again you can see smile. Please stay home with your smile.